We are gonna make a cold brew with cream for the first time. I have not tried this yet. I just opened it. I'm excited. I'm going to use Stoke cold brew because it's a cold brew kind of day. You can also do this with an espresso machine. And then what I like to do is part pistachio milk and part oat milk. It gives it the best texture. Look at that. It is so pretty. Oh, that is very good smelling. Wow. Just a half a tablespoon. Maybe just a little bit under because I don't like my stuff to be too sweet. So let's see how this goes. I'm excited. I've never bought a liquid syrup. I usually just drink it black or with a little bit of cream. So I'm very excited to see how this goes. And I love these cute little pink cups. Moment of truth. Does it taste good? That is what we're about to find out. Oh my God, that is perfection. That is some damn good syrup. This is from a small business in Portland. I don't know how small they are, but I'm very excited. They have a gift option where there's 3 different ones in smaller bottles, and I think I'm gonna buy that because I'm normally not a syrup person, but I just wanted to start making a little bit more fancy coffees at my house. I'm gonna buy that, but it has a gift set. So if you know someone that loves coffee, they want cleaner ingredients, this is clean. I love that about it. Oh, and it's made with organic cane sugar, so super select ingredients. And it does say refrigerate when you're done. This is one that's gonna have to be refrigerated. It's not gonna be one that just sits on your counter. Keep that in mind. Wow. That is delicious. I'm a big fan. I could honestly even use just a tiny bit more. Like, it's 1 serving is an actual tablespoon, and I just did half a tablespoon, a little bit under. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to get that flavor. Okay, I'm gonna see what this is. No, that one right there. That one is perfect. The other one, I could use a little bit more. This, perfection. I found the world's best syrup for your coffee that is clean ingredients. You need this.